Nanubabaw kabalin tong sakay po. My name is Louie. Welcome to We're in Pampanga. Today is a very special vlog. And I am here actually sa Fontana. This is in Clark, Pampanga. And we are invited to take a look at every tourist attraction that they're gonna be presenting to us guys this Christmas season. So if you're interested to know more about their promotion as well as their announcement, please be with me in this video. And I assure you, you're gonna love this. Tara! Hey, I finally meet you during the vlog.
Finally! Hello everyone!
This mom. I'm just in you. I'm just in you. Welcome to the lobby. Up front, you're gonna be greeted by this really great Christmas tree. And I remember when the first time we were here, this is where we stayed nung wedding ako. And very nostalgic. And happy. I'm really happy that this has kumbaga nagbukas. So we're gonna go to the cafe. We're gonna meet the staff as well as a very special person. First time namin magkikita, and yeah, let's go. So this is the place. There she is. Nagvo-vlog na siya. Yun, no? Hi,
Hello!
Fifi.
Ang
Finally
lodi
meet
ko
you.
finally.
Finally meet
Super
you.
idol. Super watch. Guys, watch out.
Yep. So, how do you feel about today's itineraries?
Super excited and kakosa. Finally, makakapagmukbang na tayo kasama si Idol Lodi.
Actually, hindi ko alam kung I can keep up with Miss
No
Fifi.
way, there's no way. Na-starstruck ako kakosa kanina. Oh my God, nung nakita ko siya kaagad.
To sum up your years, how long have you been in the kitchen? Siguro
17 to 18 years.
18 years na. Okay. What do we have on our table right now?
We prepared the set menu, which is the ribeye steak, the honey barbecue baby back ribs. One of this.
This is a sea bass.
Yeah, it's just a food connection to the culture. I want to make it feel that they are still in their home. Na sa bahay nila may stay.
Away from home, yes.
That's why we created it.
So this is actually just our first stop here in Fontana, and would like to thank Chef Dan for
Yes, thank you so
preparing
much,
this.
Chef.
So ladies first, yes.
Thank you so much, you guys.
This is the signature drinks of Fontana. It's called
We call it?
Golden Grass.
Try ko nga.
I think meron siyang lemongrass. Does it have?
Yes.
I enjoy. Usually on your vlogs, Philly, so parang ang ginagawa mo is pinapataka mo yung mga viewers mo.
Actually, super nagugutom, sir. Ako and sir, this is actually my first time outdoor. And ganun pa yung feeling, parang mas nakaka-enjoy. Kaya nga, sabi ko, parang napaka-refreshing kasi you get to meet all the staff. You know how they prepare the food and everything.
If I may, kumbaga, have a very elaborate word, these are fancy food.
Diba?
Thank you.
I know.
Super, super. Grabe, ang lakas makasosyal.
Diba no? Nasa Italia na ba tayo, sir?
I mean, even that ambience, the way they set up here, for sure you're gonna enjoy the place.
They would.
Aside from
Especially if foreign, yung mga foreigners and tourists natin, no, sir?
Yeah.
Actually, even sa mga pastries namin, every December, Christmas seasons, meron kami mga order from Manila.
Really? Wow.
Kaya we also prepare the goodies.
Grabe. Parang alam nyo, yung parang pakiramdam na pag upo mo pa lang, iba talaga, ibang-iba. Since it's my first time to review outdoor, especially with our talaga, Sir Louie.
Yes.
Iba talagang pakiramdam. Like, yung positivity.
Yes.
And then, the food itself, you would really feel the passion of the one who prepared.
Of course.
As a head chef, I'm always remember na sinabi sa akin, head chef ko before sa
Yeah.
you have to be a conductor of those. Kailangan mong pakinggan kung anong idea nila na review. Kasi it's a brainstorming game.
Two heads are better than one, yes.
So not just a food for your belly, that's actually food for your thought.
Yes.
Para
Correct, di ba?
Ang galing.
Iba yung teamwork, no, sir?
Okay, so I think we're gonna cut it here, but for our dessert. This is what they have prepared
Look
for
at
us.
it, guys.
Sabi ko sa inyo, these are really fancy.
They look like Christmas balls. No?
That's
Amazing.
Ganda.
All right, thank you so much, Chef Dan.
Thank you.
Chef
Thank you.
Dan,
It's our pleasure
for joining
to
us on our
have-
table.
be here.
Grabe, FIFI. So, yeah, let's enjoy more.
Yes. Alam na.
All right, thank you, Chef. These are just some of the handicraft that they were able to produce, you know. Later on, I think we're gonna go to their arts and craft department. Ano yung mga inspirations nila, how they were able to come up with these kinds of Christmas decorations.
Welcome to Art Department!
So remember the Christmas decorations I showed you earlier this video. So right now we are in the room wherein they actually manufacture them. So this is their arts department, and yeah, they have a dedicated department for, of course, yung beautification ng design ng lugar ng Fontana. And for this year, they have come up, of course, with a very genuine mga designs as well as mga materials na ginagamit nila dito. As I told you earlier, yung mga debris ng nakaraang bagyo, so they were able to come up with clever designs. Yep.
The last year was just basic Christmas tree,
Yes.
garlands,
Yes.
limited yung display.
Actress goes to. Okay.
Si Sir, okay lang.
Best actress goes to.
Yay! Thank you so much, guys!
Like,
Nice. Si Sir, wala pa siyang tree. Ayan. Gusto namin ng reindeer. Charot. Nagtiman bigla. Ano?
Shishi.
Thank you so much, Chef.
That was the. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Cheers. Cheers. Okay.
Social distancing.
Social distancing. Cheers. So this room is your VIP. Very, very lucky to be their VIP, you know. So very few siguro yung mga na-invite pa natin to actually experience this. So cheers. Merry Christmas.
Advance!
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. So,
Sa mga kakosa ko rin dyan na nag-crave ng mga Chinese cuisine, try na to sa Pampanga.
yes. Ang sarap, no? After I might say, mga tiring hours natin earlier, this is
May
very
relaxing
refreshing.
ano siya, no?
This is relaxing.
Something.
This is therapeutic. Therapeutic. So, it's turning, and chop. This is what I'm waiting for. Check this out, guys. Chicken feet. What is a Chinese restaurant without this? Chicken feet. Dito sa Fontana, particularly Red, they really take pride of their dim sum.
Ang sarap!
What an experience, V. And we got you. What an experience. How do you compare it the way you do it sa studio?
It's nice to know you can see the action talaga in person. Iba talaga.
Yes.
Kaya talagang si Lodi talaga. Saludo!
And of course, you meet the
Lodi.
chef, you meet the people behind who prepared the food, mga ganyan.
Yes.
I think for us sa Wern Pampanga, isa yun dun sa mga namin, mga happy points namin when we go to a place. We get to meet people such as Ma'am Jazz. So, siguro, this is our opportunity to thank Fontana. Ma'am Jazz, thank you for inviting us po.
We would like to invite everyone to please visit Fontana Hot Spring Leisure Parks, or we have an existing promo. It's the Bare Months promo. So 50% during weekdays and 45% during weekends on selected villas and rooms. And don't forget to like our Facebook page. It's Fontana Hot Spring Leisure Parks.
Thanks so
Thank you.
much, Ma'am Jazz. Yeah.
Thank you, Jazz.
Yes. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You share it with your friends. We're sorry it's a little bit lengthy, pero we are sure that you got inspired with yung mga crafts boy natin, as well as we would like to thank Chef Dan as well and Chef Alan for preparing the food. Of course, Fifi.
Yes!
Finally.
Please subscribe. Help me. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and try to visit pag may time kayo kakosa. That's Fifi SMR Vlogs and Mukbang.
There you have
Thank
it.
you,
Thank you so
guys.
much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Next time. Bye-bye.